Case number 17, Fleet Administrator convicted for 12 million fraud. This happened in the Eastern Cape province. Between November 2014 and March 2021, the service provider by the name of Auto Trust was contracted to do auto body repair for VWSA. Auto Trust submitted invoices to Volkswagen SA for services not rendered, and Christo Diacher, 60-year-old, a fleet administrator at VWSA, assisted the company to get the falsified invoices for payment. During the internal audit, discrepancies in the invoices submitted were discovered, and the matter was then reported to the Hawks Serious Commercial Crime Investigation for further investigation. The investigation established that Auto Trust and Diacher submitted 572 fraudulent invoices that resulted in Volkswagen South Africa being prejudiced an amount of over 12 million rands. Further investigation revealed that Diacher received regular undue gratification from Auto Trust. On the 10th of March 2023, Diacher was arrested by the Hawks. He appeared in the Specialized Commercial Crime Court in Gqeberha, where he was released on warning. On the 25th of March 2024, he was found guilty of 595 counts of fraud. The matter is postponed to the 1st of July 2024 for Correctional Services report. In case number 18, detective given 20 years imprisonment for corruption. That happened in KwaZulu-Natal. In May 2017, Warrant Officer Claudie Ince was investigating a case of fraud when he demanded a gratification of 5,000 in order to destroy evidence against the accused. A case of corruption was reported to the Durban-based Hawks Serious Corruption Investigation. Ince was arrested during an undercover operation and appeared in court on charges of corruption. In another incident, he was investigating a case of shoplifting against another accused when he demanded a gratification of 3,000 rand in order to withdraw the charges. The accused managed to pay a gratification of 1,000 rand, and she did not attend court as per the instruction of the warrant officer. A warrant of arrest was issued against her, and when she appeared before court, she explained that warrant officer Ince took money from her and told her not to come to court. A sitting magistrate instructed that the matter should be investigated. Another case of corruption was then registered against him, and he was charged according to the two counts that were brought forward. In May 2023, Ince was found guilty on all the charges. On the 18th of March 2024, the Durban Specialized Commercial Crime Court sentenced warrant officer Ince to 10 years imprisonment for count 1 and another 10 years imprisonment for count 2. The court ordered that 8 years of count 2 shall run concurrently with the first 10 years of count 1, which means that warrant officer Ince will serve 12 years direct imprisonment. He was granted leave to appeal, immediately incarcerated, but the appeal was dismissed. In case number 19, police official and a bogus cop arrested for extortion. This happened in Pretoria. In April 2022, warrant officer Raquel claimed 43 years of crime intelligence, and a bogus police official calling himself I'll just repeat this portion. Case number 19. Police official and a bogus cop arrested for extortion. This happened in Pretoria. In April 2022, warrant officer Raquel Klenke of Crime Intelligence and a bogus police official calling himself Bosman met with the complainant and introduced themselves as Lieutenant Colonel Klenke and Warrant Officer Bosman from the police. During their meeting, they allegedly blackmailed him into giving them 10,000 rand in order for them not to reopen a case that was previously withdrawn against him. After realizing that the two were attempting to blackmail him, the complainant reported the matter to the Pretoria-based Hawks Serious Corruption Investigation. The duo were arrested on different dates after an entrapment was conducted. They appeared in court where their bail application was denied by the Pretoria North Magistrate Court. Klenke was charged with corruption and extortion, whereas Bosman was charged with extortion as well as impersonating a police official. On the 19th of March 2024, Bosman pleaded guilty to the charges and was sentenced on the 4th of April 2024 to 8 years imprisonment for extortion, of which 5 years is suspended, and a further 12 months imprisonment wholly suspended for impersonating a police official. After pre-trial conference took place on the 15th of May 2024, Warrant Officer Klenke returned to court on the 27th of June 2024 for trial and will come again on the 1st of July 2024 to continue with trial. Coming to matters relating to the South African Revenue Service. As at the end of the last quarter, which is the quarter under review, the DPCI was carrying 783 cases, of which 284 were on the court roll, where 276 are still pending decision by the NPA, while 222 are pending investigation. These are matters relating to the South African Revenue Service. I'm going to cite only 3 cases in this regard. Case number 20, suspect to appear in court for fraud. That happened in KwaZulu-Natal. Between January 2018 and July 2018, Dinesh Chain 2, who is a member of Econocom CC, allegedly claimed fraudulent value-added tax VAT refund. He submitted false declarations to the South African Revenue Service, SARS, which resulted in 11,880,000 loss by SARS. After an internal investigation by SARS, a case of fraud was reported to Point Police Station, and the case docket was allocated to the Hawks Serious Commercial Crime Investigation for further probe. On the 25th of March 2024, the Hawks served summons on Chain 2 to appear before court on 6 counts of fraud and contravention of the Tax Administration Act of 2011. He made first appearance in the Durban Specialized Commercial Crimes Court on the 15th of April 2024. The matter was postponed to 2nd June 2024 and then again 25 June 2024. The matter is further postponed to the 12th of July 2024. In case number 21, director and an entity given a combined fine of 800,000 rands for contravening the Tax Administration Act. This happened in the Northern Cape. During 2018 and 2019, Bacha Badirong Financial Management Pty Limited, trading as Bacha Badirong Security Services, under the directorship of Marius Augustine Box, submitted fraudulent IRP5 certificate to SARS, claiming company income tax returns. The company had no employees and therefore dormant for the tax period of 2018-2019 financial year, for which it falsely claimed corporate income tax. SARS suffered a loss of 21 million rands. The docket was assigned to the Hawk Serious Commercial Crime Investigation Team, which led to the arrest and conviction. On the 2nd of February 2024, the Kimberley Specialized Commercial Crimes Court sentenced Box to 600,000 rand fine or 5 years imprisonment, whereas a company was fined 200,000 rand, making the combined fine to be 800,000 rands. In case number 22, accused remanded in custody after failing to appear before court. This happened in KwaZulu-Natal. Between June 2011 and August 2018, Francis Muleso, 43, who is a Malawian responsible for e-filing at Gubela Trading, did e-filing to claim VAT on behalf of the company from SARS. The investigation by SARS revealed that Gubela Trading did not only fail to declare the true income, claiming fraudulent expenses on VAT, but also income tax without justification. As a result, SARS suffered prejudice to the amount of 13,832,000 rands. A case of fraud was reported to Point Police Station and the case docket allocated to Durban-based Hawk Serious Commercial Crime Investigation. On the 27th of March 2023, summons were served on Panelet Njova, 38 years, to appear in court on the 14th of April 2023. On the 14th of July 2023, summons were served on Meluso. Meluso did not appear at court and a warrant of arrest was issued. On the 5th of March 2024, Muleso was arrested at OR Tambo International Airport and transported back to Durban. He appeared at the Durban Specialized Commercial Crime Court on the 6th of March 2024 and 10 May 2024. The matter is currently postponed to the 3rd of July 2024 for trial.